Pavement ants sneaking into your home through tiny cracks in concrete slabs is one of the most annoying things, but sealing those cracks can seriously cut down on the problem. So, first, you gotta find every crack you see in your concrete slabs around the house. Like, really inspect those sidewalks, patios, and driveways because pavement ants are tiny and will exploit even the tiniest openings. Next, clean out the cracks from dirt and debris using a stiff brush or a vacuum so the sealant sticks better. Then grab a good quality concrete crack filler or caulk. Make sure it's waterproof and flexible because you don't want it cracking again when the slab shifts. Apply it generously, smooth it out with a putty knife or your finger, and let it cure for at least 24 hours before walking on it. If you want extra protection, consider spraying a residual insecticide around the sealed areas to kill any ants lingering nearby. Remember to check these cracks seasonally because new ones can form with weather changes. Lastly, keep vegetation trimmed and away from the concrete edges since plants can create new pathways for ants to enter. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pavement ant control is ignoring the smallest cracks. Those tiny gaps are like open invitations for ants, so don't overlook them. Another common problem is using the wrong type of filler. If you pick something that isn't meant for concrete or outdoor use, it'll crack or wash away fast, letting ants back in. People also forget to give the sealant enough time to dry before touching it or exposing it to moisture, which ruins the whole job. The fix? Be thorough with inspection, invest in quality concrete fillers labeled for outdoor use, and be patient with drying times. This way, your seal lasts longer and keeps ants out better. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who actually know how to handle stuff like sealing concrete cracks, right? Contractors get help finding steady work from real clients needing their skills, so it's a win-win when you're trying to keep pavement ants out and your home looking solid.